Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgia here from Allendale's trading floor. It is May 26th, Tuesday. We do have things starting off a little lower today. Corn down a penny and a half, beans down a penny, wheat down about 4 1/4. Warmer temperatures moving through. We've got rains across the Corn Belt for the next few days. And certainly the warmer temperatures, specifically to the north, kind of keeping a cap on this rally that we had for wheat. But a couple things to pay attention to a little later on today. We've got planting progress coming out for corn. They're expecting anywhere 92 to 94% planted. For beans, somewhere close to 60%. Still right in line with the 5-year average for beans. The weather over the next few days going to keep farmers out of the fields, but still expecting to see this bean pace stay above that 5-year average. We're also going to see the first good to excellent rating come out for corn. The expectations are 80%. Now, that's a new record. So we'll see if that does come out as expected as well. Looking at some of the managed money, what have these funds done? And what has this big money done over the last week? CFTC report on Friday reporting that the funds are increasing their short position in the beans. They sold another 39,820. For corn, they sold another 18,160. And then they bought back some wheat. Not surprising there, but they bought back 31,690 contracts as far as wheat. So watch for that. A lot of focus, though, today has come on the dollar. The dollar is strong once again. The euro is struggling. More talks of this Greek debt situation and how is that going to be handled. That spread a lot of concern across the markets today, with the dollar very strong, up $1.10 right now. So that's got all commodities kind of setting back. Crude oil down $1.25. And you get more of this macro sense of selling. So that may be something that we have to watch today and maybe more of a frontline story for us today as we get into the rest of the week. But strong dollar here so far today. Looking at livestock, probably going to see cattle and hogs maybe start off a little lower. We did have that cattle on feed report on Friday. We did trade through that for the first time and didn't get a lot of reaction from it. But when you look at what happens to the cash cattle typically between Memorial Day and the 4th of July holiday, we tend to see the markets back off and we tend to see some selling. So that may end up, we may see that starting to occur here as well. But watch the cash market for that. Box beef on Friday, a little lower. Choice down $1.97. Select down $1.70. So putting some pressure there, which may give us that little lower start. Hogs, cutout values down $1.47 there. More talks of bird flu out there. But technically, we've got some support right below us here, and we'll have to see what happens on these charts. But starting to we may get that spillover selling here as well. If we see cattle take a downturn, maybe we can get the hogs to set back here a little bit this week. Stock market down 43 points right now. Crude, as I mentioned, $1.25 lower. We've got the dollar up $1.10. Gold and silver, they're in the red. Gold down $20, silver down 40 cents. So we'll see how this plays out today, but give us a call. If you have any questions, you can reach us here, 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow morning. Take care.